Okay, so you won't believe this, but one simple Google Sheet, yes, just a spreadsheet, made me 5,000 rupees online. No coding, no fancy app, no big following. Just a template that solved a small problem and people were willing to pay for it. Here's how it happened. I created a budget tracker for myself using Google Sheets. I designed it to be clean, simple, and actually useful. A few friends saw it and asked for a copy. That's when the idea hit me. What if more people wanted this? I spent a few hours cleaning it up. Added some extra features like monthly summaries, auto-categorization, and charts, all using basic formulas and formatting. Nothing fancy. Then I uploaded it to a marketplace for digital templates and priced it modestly at just 99 rupees. And then the downloads started trickling in. First sale, I thought it was a fluke. But then more came in. Within a week, I had made my first 1,000 rupees. Over time, that single template brought in 5,000 rupees and counting, all while I was doing my day job. Now, this video is not just a flex. It's a guide. I'll walk you through how I built the sheet, where I listed it, and tips to make templates that people actually pay for. First, the spreadsheet itself. I'm not a big fan of complicated sheets. Mine had 3 main sections. 1. A monthly budget planner. I could input my income and expenses for each category. 2. A monthly summary, which gave me a bird's eye view of my spending by category. And 3. Charts to visualize my spending over time. All the calculations and formatting were done using basic formulas like sum, if, and count. If you know how to use these, you're good to go. If not, there are plenty of online courses and tutorials to learn the basics. You don't need to be an expert. Next, I'll talk about where to list your templates. There are a few options here. You could list it on a freelancing platform, but the competition is stiff and the fees are quite low. Or you could create your own website, but that requires some technical skills and time to build an audience. The easiest option is to use a marketplace for digital templates. The best part is you don't need to drive traffic. The platform has a built-in audience of buyers looking for digital products. When I listed my template there, it got picked up within a few days and the sales started coming in. Now let's talk about pricing. I priced my template at 99 rupees and here's why. On a freelancing platform, I found that people were willing to pay around 200 rupees for similar templates. So I thought 99 rupees was a good starting point. You want to keep it low to attract buyers, but also ensure that you're making a profit. Finally, let's discuss how to create templates that sell. I followed these 3 steps. 1. Identify a pain point. I wanted to track my finances better. 2. Create a solution. I designed a budget tracker with monthly summaries and charts. 3. Package it well. I uploaded it to a marketplace following their guidelines and added relevant keywords so buyers could find it easily. If you have spreadsheet skills, you already have a monetizable skill. You just need to package it right. And with that, I end this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.